Old MacDonald had a farm, and he's going to sound out the names of the animals, and we're going to guess what they are. This sounds like a lot of fun. Old MacDonald had a farm, and on his farm he had a...
cat.
He had a cat. What else did he have?
S.
He has a goose. That's not all. He has a...
Pig.
He has a pig. What else does he have?
E.
He has a sheep.
Bah.
But that's not all. He has a...
G.
He has a dog. That's a great thing to have. What else does Old MacDonald have? I think he has a...
Goat.
It's a goat. What else does Old MacDonald have on his farm?
Ow.
It's a cow. What else do you have, Old MacDonald?
D.
Quack, quack.
It's a duck. Old MacDonald's animals are getting hungry, and it's time for him to feed them. Can you say the sounds in the words hen and chick to help out Old MacDonald on his farm? E-I-E-I-O.